How to be extremely lucky in life. Did you know that you can make your own luck? Did you know that lucky people are ordinary people like us, but they have certain habits they do every day to create the life they want? Lucky people don't count on luck. They make a choice to think differently and to take action. Follow these simple rules and your future will be unlimited, and you will create your own luck in your life. Lucky people's habit. 1. Have a clear purpose. All successful people have a crystal clear objective: who they are, what they want, and what they need to do to get from wherever they are to wherever they want to go. Unsuccessful and happy people, on the other hand, are usually quite fuzzy about what it is they stand for and believe in, and what it is they really want from their lives. As the old saying goes, you can't hit a target you can't see. 2. They surround themselves with positive people who build them up, not tear them down. Life is hard enough as it is without having to worry about negative people slowing you down. 3. They work hard, quietly. They conceal their hard work. They don't boast, toast or celebrate. They just work hard. They don't announce it on Facebook or tweet about it on Twitter. Lucky people get busy working. 4. They have no excuse for not doing the job. They don't say, "It's not a good time right now," but they do say, "It's always a good time right here and right now." They know the right time will never come to them. They have to go out and make it the right time. 5. They don't get distracted by others, their opinion, or the social media. Lucky people don't get distracted by the naysayers, doubters, or haters. They don't allow the negativity to enter their mind. Shrugging off a desire to gossip or respond to critics, lucky people smile and keep walking forward. They want it badly. They believe they have something of value to give to the world. Lucky people jump out of the bed in the morning. They sacrifice, they giving up the luxuries of the modern world, TV, Facebook, whatever, so they can get to work fulfilling the promise they make to themselves. 6. They fight the overthinking mind each day by putting positive seeds into their minds every single day. They are grateful and they recognize that life is not a right, but a gift. 7. They focus on the goal, not the plan. Plans can change, chaos can interrupt the best laid plans, but goals don't. Happy marriage, talented kids, meaningful work, and a successful career, these usually remain constant, but how we get there can change over time. 8. They take lots of action. All high-performing men and women are both extremely action-oriented and extremely self-reliant. They look to themselves for the solutions to their problems. They realize that no one is coming to the rescue. When you see yourself as completely in charge of your own life, your own career, your own health, your own family, and your own finances, you stop looking for others to do things for you. You start making progress instead of making excuses. 9. They focus on building wider circles of friends and acquaintances. Lucky people smile and engage, opening up their minds to the chance of meeting with strangers where one thing can lead to another. 10. Remain in the day-to-day. Like hunters, they focus on today's prey, not yesterday's misfortune. 11. They fail more than anybody else, but they keep going because they know they'll come out of it. They have this powerful belief that tough times pass and that if they persevere long enough, they'll get through the failures. They believe in themselves, but they're not arrogant. They feel that all of us have this inner strength, this resiliency of the human mind that can achieve great things. They learn from mistakes. Lucky people become smart and learn by trying. They read, they toil, they admit their faults. They recognize that happiness and success in life comes from constant learning. 12. They ask better questions. Lucky people are those who, when they hear a good idea, they ask, "I wonder if it would work for me." When the lucky person thinks of something that he or she wants, the lucky person always asks, "How can I achieve it or acquire it?" 13. They are generous. They give generously to others through their effort in their jobs, careers, business, and their personal lives. Their effort is found on ensuring others have what they need before their own needs are met.